This video will explain the various settings associated with the Pens tab of the Trend Chart Properties box. Double-click the chart in Edit mode to bring up this box. Let's add two more pens to this chart. Click on the Variables list, and using the Control key you can multi-select more than one variable at a time. Let's choose Working Set Point and Output. Drag them to the white space and the pens are added. To edit a pen, you can click on it and select Edit or double-click on it. If we've done our job properly, most of these items should be self-explanatory. Pen color, line thickness, decimal points should be quite clear. Disable this pen is a feature where the pen can be temporarily removed from a chart, for example if a particular trace was out of service, without losing all the settings. We'll go back to the Process Value pen to illustrate the next feature. If you want to draw attention to the chart, you can make the chart blink and or change color on some alarm value. Here we have a boolean called PV high, process value high alarm, and let's make the chart turn red when that alarm becomes true. We'll also make the chart blink. Let's see how that looks in Runtime. In this demonstration, we have set the PV high alarm to 400. As soon as the value gets to 400, the trace will turn red and start to flash. A little further on, we've completed our soak time, and we will see that when we go back below 400, the trace returns to its normal color. Now we are back in edit mode. Scales may be fixed, automatic, or from other variables. This feature is especially useful if it is appropriate to change the scale of a pen as part of a recipe. Also supported are logarithmic scales for parameters like vacuums. Scale divisions are normally left at automatic, but sometimes it may be necessary to set them manually. Similarly for grid lines. It is very straightforward to experiment with these settings to get the best results. Not implemented at the time of making this video is the tolerance band feature. Consider a process that requires the temperature to be always +5 -10 degrees from the set point. Apply the tolerance band to the graph of working set point, and it will be much clearer to see that the process was in spec. More features concerning how the pen is plotted will be added in future releases.